When the tablets came out, maybe a year and a half before I came home, it was like discovering the world. They have all this information, make it much easier for you to set a plan up for reentry. You can access resources, you can access employers. If I had access to technology when I was in prison, I probably would have been out of prison earlier. I got my first job before I came home from prison. From prison, I applied with it from a tablet. I had my niece download the application, I did it, sent it back to her, she downloaded it on the email, and it was almost like you communicated with me. And my first job was working at the 25th Police District. I got out of jail on a Monday. That Thursday was Thanksgiving. That following Monday, I had to report to work with a Securus ankle monitor. And that's the power of having access to some technology and some education. I probably wouldn't have spent 31 years in prison. It would have gave me access to different people. I came home with 100 resumes in paper. And everywhere I went, I was like, oh, you gotta go online. And I knew I had to learn technology fast because of the jobs. Now, this is basic. Babies are born with phones now. And if you don't know this, you're gonna be left behind. You can be the smartest guy or woman in the world. If you don't know technology, you will be left behind.